So 2.6b, here we go. Number one, you need two parts to the definition of between. One thing is just say the word collinear, or if you'd rather say that they're all points on the same line, that's all the same meaning, so there's a single point for number one. Second thing you want to put is an adding problem, something like AB plus BC equals AC. AB plus BC equals AC. If one of those two letter, let's call them words for the sake of discussion, is backward, does that matter? No. So instead of AB, if someone put BA, or instead of BC, you put CB, it doesn't matter. But what does matter is that the adding part has B in both pieces, and that after the equals alone part doesn't have a B in it. It has an A and a C. So AB plus BC equals AC. If you have trouble writing that just from memory, I would suggest draw yourself a picture of B being between A and C, and then do first part plus second part equals whole thing. AB plus BC equals AC. The picture gets you no points ever, but maybe the picture just helps you organize your thoughts. 3 is for every 2 points, there's exactly one line that contains both. Or for every pair of points, there's exactly one line that goes through both. You could phrase it different ways, but you need to be talking about two or a pair of points somehow and having exactly one line that can get them both. 4, we need to start off with the word union. It's the union of A and B and all the points between them. It's the union of A and B and all the points between them. 5, you could go with length. Wouldn't work on this quiz the way the question is phrased, but sometimes that's also called a distance, but right now only the word length would work in the blank for number 5. 6 is a lot like 4 in the sense that it starts off with union, but you're going to say it's the union of segment AB. If you don't want to say the words segment AB, say this. That's the same as saying the words segment AB. But it's the union of segment AB and all points C such that B is between A and C. If you don't want to say the words B is between A and C, you can just write this. Instead of saying all of those words, you can just write this one quick abbreviation thing. So it's the union of this and all the points C such that this. 7 is opposite rays. 8 and 9, there's 2 points, just like 1 and 2 had 2 points. So one thing is to say that B is between A and C. If you want to write that out with words, you can. B is between A and C. But again, you can write this. I'm writing this because it's just less writing. This is the way I would write. B is between A and C. Second thing we'd write is 2 equal pieces. You could look at this picture to maybe help you out. For this to be a midpoint, you need the 2 pieces to be equal. So AB equals BC. So maybe that's a helpful picture to have, but again, picture's worth no points, but sometimes a picture helps you just organize your mind. 10 is the word bisect. If they have dissect, that's wrong, because that's cutting up frogs in biology. That's a little different. 11 is point plotting. 12, I'll just draw. We have an A, we have a B. We've got to go through them. Arrowheads both ways. Nice straight old line, so that is line AB. Segment AB, what should I erase?
Arrows.
The arrows. Segment AB just connects A to B and looks like that. Ray AB, I need to add back on. Where do I need to add back on for ray AB? To the right. I need to go that way and go arrowhead for ray AB. For the ray opposite ray AB, it's all of this, some of this, or none of this. For the ray opposite AB.
Keep the points.
15, I would keep the points, but am I keeping any of the other? I am not. So the ray opposite AB, I need an A, I need a B, but don't join them in any way, don't do anything on the other side of B. It's got to run away from B. That's the ray opposite AB. Ray BA, I'd start at B, I'd run through A, and it goes forever on A's side. The ray opposite BA also starts at B, but instead runs away from A, in the other direction. That's the right opposite that. Question up to 17. 18 for abbreviations, I'm going to make stuff that looks like this does. So I'm going to go AB. If it's a line AB, I just put a line hat on there. There's no dots on that. If people by accident put dots on that, just let it go for a day, but there's no dots involved in that. You can just drop that off if you're done. Segment AB looks exactly like this. We already did that once. If they put dots on there, I'm going to let that go for a day, but stop doing the dots. There's no dots on the abbreviations. Ray AB, the abbreviation looks like that. There's no dots on that either. For G to be between H and I, we need this hyphen-y thing with G in the middle. And it doesn't matter where you put the H and I, or if you twist them, just make a pick. I'll put H then I, because that's the order that I read them. 23, the first piece say that it's a set of points. The second piece say that that's a number. I would count that as like two half-point ideas to make a whole. The second one without the hat on it is a number. The first one with the hat on it, I'm going to always refer to that as a set of points. And then 23 is a W, point W. Question about 26B. Again, upcoming events. Tomorrow, at least on the year that we're recording, our plan tomorrow is take no quizzes, and it's just a homework makeup day. We've got some 42 questions to do. We've got some 34 questions to do. We have a little baby bit of page 30 to do. Different years, different videos, different people. We might be in slightly different places for homework, but we always have homework to catch up on at this point in our chapter 2, just how it goes. So tomorrow's a homework catch-up day. We took the metric quiz for the second time today. Depending on the year in the future, people are watching this, maybe there's a metric quiz around. The packet, the vocab packet for the chapter is going to be due not tomorrow but the next day. The chapter 1 and 2 quiz that I gave you a study paper for, that's coming soon, but we're not going to do that tomorrow on this cycle. But some other year, maybe it would be doing that next quiz for this cycle on tomorrow. The chapter 1 and 2, what's that out of, like 37? Did like 37 that paper?
This one and this one.
The chapter 1 and 2, what's it count up to?
The quiz
Yeah.
is 37.
37. So the paper that has 37 questions, that's coming soon, but for this year that we're recording, it's not due tomorrow, but that's coming soon. That's like probably 2-3 days away. Can you hit the stop on that?